Whenever we are going to start a model, first we have to create a geometrical set. So our geometrical set name is dump to para dump to para. Okay, then create a point. Point type should be circle. Then create our datum on. Then create OK. Then that point we then go to the point definition. Then coordinate means we have to first dump the point, then give the coordinate to that point. Okay, then on that point create a axis. Okay, then insert a new body. Go to sketch. Always remember V up, H right. Okay, then go to our project, data mode, project all the lines, only lines, don't any curve, project any curve. Okay, uh here is a curve, but this curve is going to be a circle, so project that curve, then go to that curve, circle object, then give the closure. After that go to extend, line extend, trim, close the circle. Then here we see that this part is going to remove, so first add some material. Trim that line. Okay, so somehow is going to remove, so no need of any section like a parametric, a perfect section. So then close, then exit workbench, then go to pad. Before pad, remember always measure the pad value. Here we see that our pad value from the axis is 11.35, then key value 11.35, reverse direction. Okay, so here we see that our parametric is matched with our DOM profile. So for better look, change the color of the DOM profile, then create a new body. Go to sketch, be always up, edge right. Okay, then hide the first body. Here we see that some removal some removal portion is there, so just project that lines, Okay, normal, project all the lines. Here, curve. So here is a circle. So you have to create a circle, or first you have to project that circle, go to circle or go to it, then construction that curve, then create a circle up match to that curve. Okay, and the circle going to be our parametric body. Extend that boat line here. Try to close the profile. Okay, so profile. So here, uh, if you want to see whether it is profile is closed or not, go to your signal option. Go search. It means go to here expand search option. Click on the here. See profile is closed. So exit workbench. Then pair that sketch. Mirror give mirror extend. Okay. Okay. So create a new body and that body rename as final. And then our first body is here. Add that first body in final body. Then second body going to be, this part is going to be removed, so remove that from the final body. Okay, see all the portion match with our down part. Then here is also some portion going to remove. So insert a new body, go to sketch, V of edge right, hide final, then project the here, project the line, project that circle and give that circle to construction. Give that circle to construction command. Then circle here. Go to the circle, then match with that construction circle and create a circle. Then project another line. Then just trim all the sketches, and after that extend the lines to remove the part. And here you any here, mm, any sketch oh you can create. So I am going to just horizontal and vertical create. Mm, just try to close the profile. Okay, then add that sketch up to some limit. Here extend command if. Then here is our removal body is ready. Third one, then that body is going to remove from our final body. Okay, see all portion are matched. Here then measure the radius value. Here go to the sketch. Sorry, go to the measurement. Measure the value, radius value. Here is 10. Here is some radius 6. Okay. Go to the fillet option. Here is 10. Give 10. And sorry, here is our 6. So give 6. Okay, then hide final. Here some, see here some radius from upper and lower portion. So measure the radius value. Here is 6, here is also 6. So on hide final, go to edge fillet, select the edge. Here see some issue is there because here some tangency issue. So first go to the first body sketch and just give some select the select circle and line, give some relation constant tangency, exit workbench, then see our fillet going to flow, totally flow the continuous flow. So give here 6. Then in lower person also there is a fillet, give 6, fillet radius 6. See all the parts are matched. Then here some circle is there, so we are going to remove the circle, insert new body, go to sketch, then project, just project. Here just go to the project circle and project circle, and after that close the all edit, all half circle, close arc, close arc. Okay, then go to pad, give some value, mirror extend. Okay, see iron value is ready. Then this body going to remove from final body, remove from final. Okay, see all the portion are matched here. Then last is our measure the thickness value. Here see 3 is our thickness, so go to final. Here is the option cell. Before that hide the dump body. So this part, and inner part of the circle, see, and here is also this portion is going to remove. See all the portion is ready. Cell and give value 3 mm. Okay, see our parametric body is ready. Then match with our down body. See all the portion is matched with, perfectly matched with our parametric body. In this way you are created dump to para. We are created dump to para. So in this way you are in any interview or any CAT test, just create dump to para. Okay, and after that just go to final and see is there any relation or not with our DOM body. Just final, just click delete on final. See it is going to, it is all the part are DOM, not relation with any DOM body, so it is correct method in any CAT test. In this way you are created the DOM to para profile. Okay, thank you.